In this video I'm going to show you how to load the plain paper or the photo paper in your HP DeskJet 2800E series printer. Go to the rear side of the printer. This is the paper tray. Lift it up. It will stand here. Move this to the front, so it may give you a little sound here. You will see blue color handle that is movable to both sides. Move it to the end. Take the paper, plain paper, and place it here. And now you can just adjust it a little bit. Leave this. You can give a print command and it will start printing. If you want to use a photo paper, again move it. Remove any paper inside. Take the photo paper with the glossy side facing forward. Place it here on this corner. Move it. So this is 4x6. If you have a different size, automatically it will adjust with that. Now leave this. Move the printer to the proper position. Now give a print command and it will start printing. So this way we can load the plain paper or the photo paper in this printer. Thanks for watching.